How to see incognito history on Google Chrome on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open your Chrome browser. Tap on three dots at top right, and here you can see New Incognito tab. As you know, incognito mode doesn't save your browsing history. However, there is a way to check. To do this, you need to search for a specific link. You need to just type in the following, that is, tap on the search bar and you need to type in chrome semicolon double slash chrome dash urls and simply you need to press enter on a keyboard. And you can see the list of Chrome URLs. Simply on this list you need to choose Chrome history. So you can scroll down and look for Chrome history and tap on the link. Now once you open it, you will find all your incognito history listed here. And that's it, a simple way to view your incognito browsing history. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.